Well, this is certainly an unusual sight to see in April around here, but we've had a few warm days in the upper 70s, and now the house is getting kind of warm, so um, I brought the portable air conditioner down, the Idalus 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. It's made by Danby, and we're going to use this for tonight. I didn't want to put the window air conditioners in just yet because it's still a little early for that, but we're going to be using the portable one, and I'm about to start it up for the first time. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Compressor started up instantly. I don't know if you could actually see anything when I was showing you the back of it, but yeah, that's it for this video, so thanks for watching.